The one and only Sunny White, who's going to be competing in the $10,000 bikini contest from religiontequila.com. She's rubbing my boob. How am I supposed to think here, folks? These boobs and my boobs together can start a forest fire. What number are you in the contest?
16.
16, baby. Trust me. She's 16 and friendly. She's up for the $10,000 bikini contest championship here. What are you going to do if you win the money, babe? Ooh, she's thinking. Hold on.
I don't know. I didn't think yet. I just.
So if I gave you $10,000,
get my number.
If I gave you $10,000, what would you do with 10 grand? If I gave you 10 grand right now, I just said, here you go, boom, this way, $10,000. You take me out? Or
Okay,
go
McDonald's.
shopping? Ooh, McDonald's. Trust me, she can supersize anytime she wants.
Sushi.
Ooh, sushi. I know a place. They took me yesterday.
Okay.
Great place. It's Uncle Eddie live here in the Hard Rock hallway for theedpub.com. So as we finish it, I'm going to turn this camera right to you right there. You're going to have 3 seconds. Show everybody what they're going to get on stage. All right, a little sample. All right, baby?
What I have to show?